Hey guys, and welcome to the next set of courses for creating some fun, exciting, and entertaining methods of learning. In particular, I'm speaking of animation video. This is one of my favorite methods of learning because it's such a fun way to send a message, describe a process, or share an idea. It's different than any other training, but it's an effective way to capture and maintain your audience's attention. Now, there are other animation sources out there, but I've had a great experience using Vyond, formerly known as animate. I recommend it because it's versatile with lots of different graphics. It's easy to use with click and drop features, and it can help make your message come alive with animated characters. For example, if you want your character to stand up, sit down, drink a soda, or dance, chances are they have an animation pre-built for you. If not, they have a still graphic depicting the action you're thinking of. On top of that, they have some pre-built scenarios and backgrounds. For example, if you're in the educational field, you'll see many different school scenarios already arranged for you to start clicking and dropping your characters and props onto the scene. So let's go ahead and get started. Go ahead and get to vyond.com, vyond.com. There's a pricing tab that shows different licensing agreements, but Vyond allows you to try a trial version first to make sure you like it. Once you've signed up for the trial or paid for your license, go ahead and log in. Click Create a Video and select the style of animation you would like. It shows what each style is recommended for, but just to break things down just a little bit, Contemporary offers a look that is less cartoonish and more professional looking. As you can see, Business Friendly includes some very dynamic characters and is great for scenario-based training. And lastly, you have whiteboard animation, which is perfect for drawing out stories on an animated whiteboard. I'm going to go ahead and select whiteboard animation as the example to build from, and immediately save your project. Alright, let's go ahead and start with the main menu. Up along this top menu, you have some very common menu buttons like undo, redo, copy, and paste. All of these buttons that you're usually familiar with. Then you have the Arrange button so that you can arrange all of your objects on the scene. Think of it as a layering system where you want some things on the top layer, while you want other things on the bottom layer or towards the back of the scene. You can align different objects horizontally or vertically, and you can distribute multiple objects evenly. This is nice when you want consistency throughout your project. Next is the Kill All button, or I should say the white button, which wipes everything. Good thing we have the undo button if we ever hit the Kill All button just in case, right? Then we have the delete button for unwanted objects. Over here we have the universal gear icon for the overall video settings, where you can adjust the volume level or have the volume fade in and out over a set amount of time and percentage to ramp up or down. Then there is the preview button, which you will learn to do real quick as you check your progress. Then of course you have the save button, and it's always a good idea to save your work throughout the day. You can share your video with an individual link, or you can grant access by putting in their email address. I'll be showing you how to do all these features later, but for now let's move on to the design menu.